I hope you are doing well. Today, we are discussing the evolution of static display signage. The future is no longer centered around traditional shop static image display name boards. Instead, the market is shifting towards digital display name boards. I trust you are ready to embrace this new trend and welcome any technological and innovative advancements. Considering this, I strongly recommend that we make the transition to the digital signage world. Unfortunately, physical digital display boards can be quite expensive, making it difficult for regular shopkeepers to afford. To move forward, I have some innovative ideas and a great opportunity to proceed with an affordable monthly payment plan that all shopkeepers can manage, or a maintenance-free system. Using this approach, there are still one area around 50,000 shops in Singapore that are using static display boards only. Therefore, we are offering payment methods that can provide an affordable solution with installment plans for small shops, as well as a payment model that is more stable and flexible. The main key feature is the ability to change your display images and text from anywhere in the world with a maintenance-free system. I hope this topic sparks your interest. Please contact us for more details. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to reach out to me for further details. You can contact Mr. Satish at +65 90186633, VSNP Pte Limited, Singapore.